All right, welcome back to the 2022 IMMAF Youth World Championships. This is Cage 3, and my name is Bastian Little Martinez calling the action here. We are moving ahead with our next bout. Pitting Ukraine against Tajikistan.
Ladies and gentlemen, over on Cage 3, this is the final. In the right corner representing Ukraine, on the blue corner representing Tajikistan.
So as Ricky Wright said, Tajikistan in the blue corner, Ukraine in the red. Ukrainian is huge. I'll tell you that. Nice takedown attempt there from Ukraine. Scoops out the legs, gets his top position. Working on trying to get the back here. Trying to sink one hook in, two hooks in. There's a rear naked choke. He's flattening him out. Can't see if it's under the chin or not, but that looks tight. Not go palm to palm, no. Switches back to conventional rear naked choke. Oh, that is not. Doesn't look to be quite under the chin, but it is a very tight squeeze, I'll tell you that. It's so close. It's just not quite under the chin. But it is undoubtedly a fantastic start for Ukraine. So it's Jamshed Nematov of Ivan Poremchuk of Ukraine against Jamshed Nematov of Tajikistan. But look at that. The Tajik Nematov manages to turn the tables, ends around on top, landing strikes. Very fun first round. I mean, it looked like Poremchuk was gonna get that. Very nice control of his opponent there for the Ukrainian Ivan Poremchuk. Seconds out. And so there was a bit of a shuffle in the order, but so yeah, this is the final for the youth middleweight contest. Both fighters with a very low base. There's another takedown attempt by Poremchuk, but unsuccessful. How about that drive, like a rhinoceros, right into side control. Another great start to the round for the Ukrainian. Nematov successfully using a cage to get to a much better position. He's got to mind the Darce choke, though. It looks like Poremchuk is he's locking up a Darce. He's stepping over with the leg. Don't think it's quite under the chin. I mean, I'll tell you, between this and the rear naked choke, Nematov is great at tucking his chin in. It'll probably be sore tomorrow, but it'll probably be worth it. A very animated Tajik corner, very imploring their fighter to improve his position. It's not a direct translation, but I'm pretty sure it's something along those lines. So you can see here Nematov very active with his legs. Finally manages to reestablish a full guard, which is obviously a much better position for him. He could perhaps go for some submission offense here, maybe an armbar, a triangle, something of that sort. But he can't get comfortable here because he spent most of this round in a disadvantageous position, had to defend a Darce choke. And even though he ended the first round pretty well, there's a good chance that round went to Ukraine as well. So, okay, second round in the books. Great round for Ukraine.
Over in page 5, winner.
I mean, look at that. Now, I may not have a crystal ball at hand, but I'm quite sure that Poremchuk is going to initiate the third round, driving forward with incredible aggression and trying to get that takedown up against the cage. So if your name is Jamshed Nematov, avoid the cage at all costs. Okay, third and final round of this middleweight final. Who will leave with the gold? Nice 1-2 punch to the body there for Nematov. I like that he's the aggressor here, but he's got to be... Oh, look at that. Got a little too comfortable in his striking. Gets taken down once again. So the guard is open, which I'm not sure if Poremchuk recognizes that he could potentially pass to a better position. Closed again now, but interestingly, Nematov didn't open the guard in order to go for a submission. It looks like he's trying to use it for a stand-up instead, putting his feet on his opponent's thighs and hips and pushing off. But it's going to be so hard when you got the cage behind you. It's pretty much impossible. So he needs something else. He should try to perhaps turn away from the cage. Less than a minute left now. He's right in front of his corner. I'm sure they're giving great advice. Okay, stand up. To be fair, there wasn't a whole lot going on there up against the cage, and it is a final after all, so. Oh, what a brilliant takedown, perfectly timed. Poremchuk reminding me of some slow jams because he's always on time. And he's gonna end the fight here in top position. And most likely cruise to a decision victory. And the Ukrainians in the building go wild. Slava Ukraina, as we say here.
And over on the cage for your winner, and now the men's welterweight champion of the world in the red corner, Ukraine!
Ukraine stand up, and congratulations Ivan Poremchuk. He gets the gold here at middleweight. And look at those takedowns. Fantastic elevation, great placement with his hands and his timing. He just knew exactly what to shoot. That was a pretty low takedown. He still got it though because he managed to get his opponent off balance.